Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a DIY. Now if you watch my previous video, you will know that I make my own shampoo at the moment, and my favorite shampoo is my African black soap shampoo. African black soap shampoo is such a great shampoo. It cleanses your hair very well without letting your hair feel harsh or anything like that. So if you're interested, please keep watching. The African black soap is a soap originated from West Africa. It is made out of several fruit and vegetable skins such as coconut, banana, and also it is made out of great oils such as palm oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. A lot of people use African black soap to treat their face problems such as acne, fungal infection, but African black soap is also very great as a shampoo to wash your hair. African black soap shampoo is made out of great vitamins and minerals. Also, it is antibacterial, antifungal. It is very nice to treat any type of scalp issues. It is very great. So if you would like to know how I make my African black soap shampoo, keep watching.
So for this DIY, I use some tea tree essential oil, some peppermint essential oil, some rosemary essential oil, some honey, some sweet almond oil, some glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is the best, so if you have some, definitely use. I also use some extra virgin olive oil and some pure avocado oil. Now, I usually use my Dudu Sun black soap for my shampoo, which I really love for my skin. But I recently received some raw African black soap from home, so of course I was gonna use it for this video. Real raw African black soap is soft, it's easy to cut, it is not uniformly black, it can be light brown or dark brown depending on its origin. It can be very crumbly, very rough, and it doesn't really have a uniform shape. So the first thing that I do is that I cut my black soap in very small pieces, small enough so that it's easy to dissolve in water. You can do it with a knife, but I usually do it with a grater because simply it's just faster. So yeah. And also with the grater, they are small enough. Next, you're gonna add some hot water that I previously boiled and let it cool for a minute. I add the volume of water that I desire. It's just up to you. After that, I stir the solution for some time and I let it stand for 15 minutes just to allow it to completely dissolve in the water. After 15 minutes, my solution is completely uniform. The soap is completely dissolved in the water. Here I'm just checking the consistency of my soapy water. I don't want it to be too thick, but I also don't want it to be too dilute. But when I see that it's forming in my hand, I know that I'm good to go. Next, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Now I was running out of avocado oil. The struggle was real that night, but I really think that if you can add more, definitely do so. I'm adding also 1 tablespoon of glycerin, next I'm adding about 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, I'm also adding about 10 drops of peppermint essential oil and about 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. I'm just stirring the solution a little. And finally, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Remember, honey is a humectant, so it's nice to draw all the moisture. Stirring that up, and yeah, you're done. As simple as that. So what I'm left to do now is just to put my black soap shampoo in my favorite container that I previously washed and sanitized. I buy this container at Membos, but I'm sure you can even use your old shampoo containers. I like these containers because it has a pump, so it's very easy to use under the shower. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's very foamy. I love it because it lathers on my hair. It's very moisturizing. It's not harsh. It's not stripping my hair. I love it. Yeah, I needed some more olive oil, so I had to add some more. Just make sure that you shake it before you use it. Remember, oil and water don't mix. Here I'm just checking the consistency. As you can see, it is foamy enough, so it's gonna lather on your hair. It's gonna wash all the nasty things in your head. And voila!
So that's it, guys. This is how I make my African black soap shampoo. I usually wash my hair with it 2 to 3 times a month, and the rest of the time I will co-wash depending on how I feel. But what's great with this shampoo is that I never feel like my hair is too dry. I never feel that it is too drying on my hair. So that's why I really like it, because of all the oils that I put inside, and also because it's such a great black soap. It's such a great soap at first. Also, the measurements in this video are tailor-made for my own hair. But now you are the chief of your own DIY. You know better than nobody else how your hair is and what your hair like. So if you feel like you should add anything else to this DIY, feel free to do so. There's so many oils that you could add. There's so many essential oils that you can add. So really, it's all about what you feel. It's all about what you know your hair like. So I'm just giving you a foundation, and then you just go check what you have in your cupboard, in your kitchen, and then try this shampoo. If you like this DIY and you would like to try this shampoo, please let me know what you thought of it, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. But I really hope that you liked it, that you try it, and then you make it your own also as well. If you like my video of today, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions regarding anything, regarding future video, regarding any suggestion for videos as well, please write it down below. Also, if you have a friend that is looking for a nice shampoo and has been looking around and can't find anything, that wants to remove all the nasty things on her hair, please send her my video, share it to everybody that you know, and I hope that it will benefit a lot of people. Also, if you like my content and then you would like to see more video from me, please consider subscribing. I love you guys. Thank you for all the support that you've been giving me. I just started, but so many people have reached out to me, giving me so much compliment, giving me encouragement. I was very honored and very happy from the support that I received. I love you all, guys, and I hope to see you soon. God bless you.